So you like to play the video games and you want to know if you should buy this Xbox One limited edition controller for Sea of Thieves? Today I'll tell you in our quick unboxing and review. Stay tuned. So here it is, the Sea of Thieves wireless controller. You can order this now. It goes for $75. I believe Amazon sells it. You can also get it from Microsoft Direct. There are going to be some accessories for this as well that Microsoft recently announced, including a charging stand and a matching non-charging stand. You can pick one or the other. One's $15 and the other one is like $50. There's also a Seagate 2 terabyte hard drive, which will be coming out in April, also with that cool design. Let's open up the box here though. Nothing too fancy. This is the standard Xbox One S new style controller, and you can of course make your own through their design labs. But the design here is absolutely astonishing. Now, I've owned a lot of Xbox controllers, including the Elite, but this one is definitely the best designed one, and there's a lot of cool custom stuff here. Let's highlight some of the design stuff here that's really neat. So there are these little barnacles that are built into the device itself, and those are laser etched, and they did that, of course, with the Xbox limited edition Gears of War controller, which we also reviewed, which had scratch marks on it. Just a really cool technology. They can do this fine details, and it looks really nice. There is also this translucent design. So it's got what looks like a dual layer system. It is a translucent purple, and you can kind of see through in some of the innards of the device, and it really gives a cool effect and just looks really nice. There's also, of course, this sort of rust copper effect here as well, giving that green design, which looks really, really nice in my opinion. The candied buttons also look really good, and I just really like the detail that's done here. If you look closely here at the left thumbstick, you can actually see what are compass markings for north, south, east, and west, which I think is just a really, again, nice detail that they did here. And in the middle here is the skull, the Sea of Thieves logo, of course. And yes, it actually glows in the dark. Now, you probably won't see that very often, obviously, and glow-in-the-dark stuff only lasts for a little while before it fades away, but it's a really cool effect, and I just thought it was a nice little Easter egg. Turn to the front of the device here, you can see the triggers, and you get one gold one, sort of like, I guess, pirates have a gold tooth or something. I'm not really sure there, but just a really cool effect. And you do also get a little logo symbol here on the battery cover. Now, if you ever ordered a custom Xbox One controller, you know that there is an option for textured grip here, and this has that built in as well. It's very subtle, but it's a nice benefit that they threw in there for free, so overall, pretty nice. Now, I should mention this controller supports Xbox Wireless, so it works with all the Xbox One devices out there, including the One, the One S, and the One X, but it also has Bluetooth built in, so you can use it with any Windows 10 PC, which is basically how I use it. Now, the benefit of using Xbox Wireless is you do get the haptic feedback and the vibrations, as well as the wireless control for headset stuff. It's a better quality, but if you don't have that built into your device, and most don't have it, Surface Book 215 does, but if you don't, you can fall back to Bluetooth and use that instead. Microsoft also throws in two AA batteries, of course, which is pretty standard. Finally, turning to the more boring stuff inside the box, we do get the controller information and hardware and information for warranty stuff, but there is a little Easter egg here as well. They are including a Sea of Thieves exclusive in-game Ferryman clothing set. So there's a code on the back of here. When this game comes out, you'll punch it in and you'll get a unique costume, I guess. They don't really show you what it looks like, but still kind of a cool thing there. And there's also a 14-day Xbox Game Pass and 14 days of Xbox Live Gold as a free trial. Kind of standard with these controllers, but still kind of nice that they threw that in there. Okay, let's bring it all in. Should you buy this controller? I say yes. Now, like I said, owned a lot of these Xbox One controllers. This is by far one of the best designs they've done yet. Now, should you get it if you don't plan on playing Sea of Thieves? I would say yes. It's just like I said, it's a really nice controller. I've had a lot of people telling me that on Twitter when I posted some pictures of it. And for $75, I don't find it too expensive either, but it's something you may want to add to your collection. You can also get those cool accessories. Now, let's talk about it being limited edition. I put that in quotes, of course, because it's not numbered on the box. So it isn't that limited, but it won't be sold forever. So if you do plan on getting it, well, I would say try to get it in the next 6 to 8 months. Otherwise, it'll be harder to find. Now, if you're interested in picking up this controller, make sure you head to the description and below where we'll have some buy links for it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody.